If you are getting Roku error 012, you are at the right place. We have got some easy ways that you can use to fix this issue. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Method 1. Check your internet connection. Roku error 012 is usually an Ethernet related error. When you get such an error, the first thing you can do is check your internet connection. You can check the internet speed on another device like your PC by visiting speedtest.net. If the internet speed is low, you can contact your service provider. Method 2. Check the Ethernet connection. To enable an Ethernet connection on a Roku device, you can try these steps. Connect one end of an Ethernet cable to an open port on your router. Connect the other end of the Ethernet cable to your Roku device. Turn on your Roku device. On your Roku device, select Settings, then head to Network, then Set up Connection. Then select Wired. Follow the on-screen instructions and as shown to complete the rest of the setup process. Method 3. Check the Ethernet cable. Confirm that your Ethernet cable is securely connected to your TV and router. If possible, try a different Ethernet cable. Make sure there is no loose connection. If the cable is good, restart both your wireless router and the Roku system. Method 4. Reset your router or modem. Next, you can reset the router or modem. Resetting a router returns it to its factory settings, which can help fix internet issues. Here is how to reset your router or modem. Make sure your router is plugged in. Locate the reset button, which is usually on the back or bottom of the router. Some routers may also have a WPS button. Use a paper clip or bobby pin to press and hold the reset button for 10 to 30 seconds, depending on the router. You can also try pressing the button with your finger if your router has one. Release the button and wait for the router's lights to come back on and for it to power back on. If you cannot find the reset button, you can power cycle it. To do that, unplug the modem or router from the power outlet. Wait at least for a couple of minutes. Then turn on the router or modem. Method 5. Reboot the Roku system. To restart the Roku system, go to Roku Settings. Then select System. Then Power. Select System Restart. Then select Restart. Wait till your system restarts and then check if the issue is fixed. Method 6. Reset connection. The next thing you can do is reset the connection and check your Wi-Fi credentials. For this, go to Roku Settings from the home screen. Then navigate to System. Next, select Advanced System Settings. Select Network Connection Reset. Then select Reset Connection. If asked, make sure you enter the correct password. Wait till the process is complete and Roku restarts. Method 7. Move the router close to the Roku TV. Make sure the router and the Roku device are close to each other and there is no obstacle between the devices. Also, make sure that you have not kept any electronic devices near the Roku device or the router or modem, as these can trigger connection issues. Method 8. Check the connection. Go to the home screen, scroll down and choose Settings. Select Network. Click on Check Connection to view your internet connection status. Method 9. Factory reset the Roku device. The next thing you can do is factory reset your Roku system. To do that, open Settings. Then navigate to System. Next, select Advanced System Settings. Select Factory Reset. Enter the number and follow as shown to finish the process. Wait for the device to restart. Method 10. Control network activity. If other devices are connected to the same network as your Roku, try disconnecting them. Sometimes this can cause errors. After disconnecting other devices, check if the issue is resolved. Method 11. Contact Roku support team. If you have performed all the methods shown in this video and the error persists, then you can try connecting to Roku support and ask for help. Explain your problem to the Roku support team and wait for the expert's advice to resolve the issue. And there you have it, the methods to fix Roku error 012. We hope one of these methods have worked for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment and help others know which solution solved your problem. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.